In Excel, we can sort the data the way we want. At the moment, as you can see, this data is sorted by IDs from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If we want to sort with, say, departments, Excel provides tools for this. Let's see how we can do it. For that, we have to go to Data. This is a shortcut tool. If I want to sort by department, I can just select one, the first data on that, and I can click here A to Z. It will sort automatically A to Z, alphabetic order. As you can see, on one click, it has sorted all the data. First accounting, then second finance, and third HR, and so on. I can also sort in reverse order by Z to A. Say, in this case, sales, research and development, purchasing, and so on. This is one way of sorting, but if we want to sort in different ways, we have an option for that as well. We have to click this sort button. The moment I click the sort button, you will see I have an option on which level I have to sort. For example, let's see, I want to sort on job title. Job title, I can sort by C to A or A to Z. I will select this one, and you can see my data has got headers, so it is already selected. Excel has already identified that. I can remove this also, and I can select this also. The moment I remove, it will include the header row also in the data, which we don't want. So this is my header row. So Excel will understand that it does not have to sort the header row. I will say OK. And now you can see my data has been sorted as per the job title. I can further go into levels and see and have multiple levels of sorting. Let's see it again. I will click on sort. Say I want to sort by department first, and I can add one more level here. Then by, if you notice, then it has given me one more option, sort by department, then by, sort by job title. I can have multiple levels also. Then if I click once again add level, then I can sort by something else. Say I want to sort by city, and select one more level if I want, that is car model here. The reason I showed you one more is you can see this is a text value. Text can be sorted from A to Z or Z to A. But if it is numeric value, it gives an option to smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For here I can select largest to smallest. I will say OK, and let's see, my data is sorted as per the requirement. Department, then accountant, and city, and then the car model here. To illustrate more, let's remove one of the levels. It will give us better idea. I can go to sort once again, and I can remove one of the levels by simply selecting and pressing delete button on my keyboard. Let me delete this also, and let me delete this also. And here let me select car model here, and let's make it largest to smallest. I'll say OK. Now you can see the data is sorted from accounting, and this is the largest here and goes down to the lowest here. The same happens in finance. This is the largest here and goes down to smallest. In this way, we can sort the data the way we want.